agenda is to get something first, either from Family Mart or 7-Eleven. You know, some pre-game. So, you know what it is. 7-Eleven thingy. So I have your grilled salmon and red salmon and salt. It's 2 a.m. and we're in a restaurant that I don't know the name. And I ordered katsudon, but while waiting, I'll taste these. Unang kagatula agad laman. Oo, maliit lang siya. Japan keep up naman. Kala ko ba? First Japan meal. Oh my god. Katsudon is it? And I think this is seaweed soup. Huh? Huh? Is it not? Ano ba yun nandun? It's a soup. Oh my god, this is Japanese katsudon. Sarap. It's good. I just tasted this. It has red bean inside. Tonkatsu ramen. Sama yung sa binayaran dito sa Japan.
May 21 minutes walk lang.
Dami nagi pa na. Gyoza taste test. Ohio. 7/10. Arigato. Yeah. Taste testing. The real matcha soft serve.
Pero hindi siya masyado matapos. Hindi siya masyado matapos. Hindi ko yung apa. 400 ang ganyo.
Welcome to Magallanes. Mother. Yan lang yung pinunta mo dito, mother. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Hit that PR. Let's go. We're going to
Yung pala eh.
Embera Palace.
Admission is free.
House tour. House tour. So pretty. We are in Ginza. I'm dying because it's freaking cold for me. taste test. Ano pa yung mag-hati dito?
Ano, masarap.
This is kay Kagan, hindi ko alam kung ano. Guys, I'm alive. I'm alive and kicking. And we're here at Yamanashi to see Mount Fuji. It's there.
Hey guys, we're here at Baguio. Look at the Albay.
Baguio tapos Albay. Mocha, ikaw ba yan? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Claire. Tado core. Grabe, look sick. Look at our view. Wow, of course. Tirador ng persimmon. We'll have that for lunch. Taste test. Patty something. Mantika.
Parang itry mo.
One barbecue.
Bili ka.
Nahihilo na ako sa lahat talaga. Itong barbecue.
Oro.
Sarap nga. It's giving 7.5 over 10.
Malat.
Ay, is it?
Parang ano.
Pero parang mochi. Ganun ba?
Buche.
God, it's malalim and it's so clear. We are trying sausage in Japan because we always eat sausage at Hangout in Cubao. Ano? Mas masarap pa rin yung Jerrycas. Jerrycas Supremacy. Oh my God, naamoy ko na. Amoy ang sarap. Lasang 150.
Meron ding big sa Akihabara.
Bro. Chilling in Japan. Hey Swan, attack Annie. Attack Annie. We're gonna eat chiquitito. Taste testing. Wagyu beef loin for 3 seconds. Sarap, niya girl. Yowza. Taste testing. this other one. Alam, ang sarap. Alam yung... Ayun na nga, alam mo yung nakagat mo pa lang, yung juice. It's giving already. Joel, if you are watching this, grabe ka. Nag-e-effort ako talaga sa pasalubong sa'yo, te. As in, ako may sakit akong tao, Joel. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Oh well, sana alam mo it's the thought that counts. I wanna buy that for you. But, it's expensive. It's so nice. I really wanna buy it for you. Perfect. Thank you. Hey, we're here at EBW Yellow.
Wala. Pero pinipilihan siya daw. Dapat pa tanong natin kung anong best seller. Ito. Ito. Specialty.
Ito number 2.
Wait.
Ichiran. Same crew. Same ramen shop, different country. Kasi na yung dalawa. Guys. Ichiran taste test. Tokyo edition. Let's go. First the soup.
Gutom lang ako.
Diba?
Sarap na doon.
Vlog. Mas masarap pa rin.
Hindi naglo-loading. Mas masarap. Maging kawawa ka. So, nakasama siya sa vlog. Pero ganyan yung vlog. Ay, ka sa vlog. Para kasama ka pa rin. Kasi sa kwarto
Magalit na rin ng mga tao nakatingin. Kidong.
Clear, gabi-gabi pinapayaman ang Tokyo.
Well, I'm on the way this time. Cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. Girl, I wanna be the papa you can be.
Smoothies from 7-Eleven because it's the best. And I always go back at 7-Eleven for this. Let's go. About the taste test. It's so good. This is 2 kinds of beef something.
Hindi ko rin masabi pa. Kaibahan. Ano po ba Manila? Ang yakanila.
This is our last day. I miss Japan already. And we're going to Eiffel Tower. Pero lasang apple sa atin. Legit Fuji apple. back at the ramen place that we tried because it's so good. Lasa siyang balot. Tignan mo ninyo, girl, hindi tayo pinagtan. Ay. Ito bro. Bilis na. Ay.